Okay, guys, I think I was on mute. So, for today's webinar, the topic is how you can supercharge your online course marketing with ChatGPT. So, for this webinar, we have 3 points to discuss. And the first, we would be discussing about how you can use ChatGPT for marketing. The second one is getting free learners to sign up. Here, we'll be sharing 5 prompts with you that will help you to convert your free learners to sign up. And the third one is how you can convert free learners into paid learners. So here also we'll be sharing you 5 prompts that will help you in converting those free learners who visit your website and sign up for your free courses or a live class to get them into a paid learner, right? So let's start with the first one, which is how ChatGPT is or can be used for marketing. Understanding ChatGPT for marketing. All right. So here, as you can see, like with the emergence of ChatGPT is used for a lot of tasks, right? But for marketing, it's really important and you can utilize it for marketing as well. So what you can do is how you can use ChatGPT for marketing. You can use ChatGPT for marketing. I would say like majorly what ChatGPT helps in marketing is when you want to create some type of content. It can be a blog post, it can be an email, it can be a landing page copy. So anything that you need that would take time to write on your own, or maybe your team is writing for you, all of that can be supercharged, or all of that can be created very soon with the help of ChatGPT. The third one is the benefits of using ChatGPT in your marketing strategy. So the benefits of using ChatGPT is multifold. So one major benefit is that you will save a lot of time. The second most important benefit is that when you get something out of ChatGPT, all you have to do is you have to just review it once, and then you can pretty much go forward with it, because the output that ChatGPT produces, if your input is good, is pretty standard and it's good quality. All you have to do is double check it once so that you don't go wrong in the type of content you want to project outside as your brand. So all you have to do is like make sure that the content that ChatGPT has provided, it is as per your brand guidelines, and the tone of voice of your brand that you have created, it's according to those standards. All right. So now we're jumping to the second section, which is getting free learners to sign up. All right. So here we will be providing you with 5 prompts on how you can get free learners to sign up. So by free learners, I mean people who come up to your website, who are browsing through your website, visiting your blogs, or maybe visiting your courses. So those kind of people. But what you want to do with them is that you want to get their information. For example, if you get their email, if you get their phone numbers, so those inputs are really important, because only then you'll be able to send them any further communication, or else you never get to know who has visited your web page, who has visited your blog page, right? So the first prompt I am discussing here is how you can create an engaging copy for landing pages, which is optimized for sign-up conversions. By sign-up conversion, I mean like people who visit your website, they will sign up for it can be a free course, it can also be a free guide to something, it can be a free live class that you are doing, or a free webinar, just like this one. All right. So in that way, you can use this copy for landing pages. So as you can see, the prompt provided here is you are an experienced educator in the industry and you have developed a comprehensive course on topic. So anywhere where this square brackets is present with the industry and topic, what you have to do is replace the industry with your industry. For example, if you are a fitness coach, you have to replace it with a fitness industry, and topic for which you are making a course, that topic you have to replace in place of this. All right. So your goal is to create a landing page that effectively communicates the unique value and benefits of your course to potential students, with the aim of converting them into paying customers. So what you have to do is you have to communicate what you want out of ChatGPT So for example, here we are communicating, your goal is to create landing page that effectively communicates unique value and benefits. So these inputs will help ChatGPT to produce a much more renowned or a much more refined output than what it would have produced if you would have just asked, give me a landing page copy, right? So where the other part of the prompt is write engaging copy for the landing page that highlights the key problems or challenges your course addresses, the specific outcomes and skills that students will gain from taking your course, testimonials or success stories from previous students. So it's really important to add testimonials as well as the outcomes and the skills that the students will gain, because that gives them an idea as to what they are going to gain from learning or enrolling into your paid course. So any special features, bonuses or resources included in the course, and a clear call to action that prompts visitors to sign up or enroll in the course. Remember, these are some further instructions. As you can see, remember to optimize the copy for conversions by using persuasive language, focusing on the benefits of the course and addressing potential objections. Aim for an informative and engaging tone that instills trust and excitement in the reader. So enough talk. I think it would be much more clearer once I show how you can use this prompt in ChatGPT itself, right? So let's go into ChatGPT. So this is the same prompt that we have given in the presentation. All we have to do is copy it and paste it here, right? Just a second. Let's make the theme a little bit lighter. It will be better that way. Okay. So as you can see, we have provided that you are an experienced educator in the fitness industry and you have developed a comprehensive course on leg workout. Your goal is to create a landing page that effectively communicates similar to what the prompt is in the PPT, and the comprehensive course on leg workout. On leg workout, let's make it a little bit better. We can say on starting a keto diet, right? So now if we press enter, here it has started providing you the landing page copy. So you can take a read and see like what the copy is like. For example, if you think the copy should be a little bit much like little bit formal, you can tell it to do the same by sending an additional prompt saying that make this copy a little bit formal and friendly. So as per the tone of voice that you want, you can do the same. You can change the whole copy based on your tone of voice. All right. So as you can see, it is talking about discover the power of keto, unlock vibrant health and transform your life. Are you tired of constantly battling with weight gain, feeling sluggish and struggling to find a diet that actually works? Look no further. A comprehensive course on starting a keto diet is here to revolutionize your journey to a healthier, more energized you. Right? Looks so much better, and this whole copy would have taken like me or you around like 1 or 2 hours easy, right? But with the help of ChatGPT, you get this in like 5 minutes. And what you can do later on is you just have to go through it once, make changes as per your requirement, and then you're good to go, right? If you want it to be, you can also make further changes. So sometimes the response that you're looking for maybe is not the is not good enough, right? So what you can say is, for example, if I want this, for example, here a lot of emojis are used, right? But I know that my target market is a little bit mature and I don't want the copy to have any emojis, right? So you can just write, please don't just a second. Yeah, please don't include any emojis in the copy. And now you'll see that it won't include any emoji. Oh, it's still including. Let's be more clear. As you can see, I was not that clear, so it's still including the emojis. So you can say, please don't include any emojis in the copy above, and also refrain from using emoticons. Maybe it understands emoticons, so like from using emoticons in the heading, right? See, now it's not using any emojis. So sometimes you have to like do a trial and error method. Like earlier when I was writing, it was still showing the emojis and the emoticons, right? But here it's not. So that way you can change the output as per your requirement. You can reflect on it and rephrase any output that you want. Okay. Now going back to the second prompt. So similarly, like you have used the first prompt as I just showcased, you can use the second prompt as well. So here we are talking about how you can create compelling CTAs. By CTAs, I mean call to actions for your emails and landing pages. So again, the prompt is somewhere similar. As an experienced educator in the industry, you have to mention, you understand the importance of a strong call to action to prompt potential customers to take the desired action. Your task is to train ChatGPT to generate compelling CTAs that can be used in emails and landing pages promoting your course name. Here you have to include your course name or the name of the topic that you want. Provide a list of persuasive CTAs that can be used to encourage visitors to sign up. So here you have to give a further like instruction as to what you want to achieve. Here this is the goal, right? You want to encourage visitors to sign up for a free trial or demo of your course. Also prompt users to enroll in the course by highlighting limited time discounts or bonuses. If you have any discounts or bonuses running, you can add this line, or else you can remove the whole line. Like prompt readers to bonuses, you can remove the whole line. But if you have some discounts that you are running, you can definitely include those discounts as well. Invite potential customers to join a waitlist or be notified when the course becomes available. Urge readers to take advantage of a special offer or pricing before it expires. Motivate interested individuals to take the next step and contact your team for more information or personalized guidance, right? Again, this just reading this won't make that much sense, but let's try it out on ChatGPT, right? Here we go. We'll copy this and do the same thing. As an experienced in the educator in the fitness, instead of fitness, let's say music industry, right? You understand that the importance of strong call to action to promote potential customers to take the desired action. Your task is to train ChatGPT to generate compelling CTAs, and the course can be how to become an amateur guitarist in 6 months, right? Provide a list of persuasive CTAs that can be used to encourage visitors. All right, now let's see the magic happen. As you can see, it's providing you with a lot of CTAs, like sign up now for a free trial, unleash your inner guitarist in just 6 months, enroll today and save 30% off the regular price. You can definitely iterate it. For example, if you have 10% off, 30% off as per the discount that you offer, you can change the percentage. Join the waitlist and be the first to know when our how to become an amateur guitarist in 6 months course is available. Last chance to grab a special offer. Enroll now before the discount expires. Let's read one more. Limited spots available. Secure your place in our How to Become an Amateur Guitarist in 6 Months course now. Be the guitar player you have always dreamed of being. Enroll today and unlock your musical potential. Alright, so all of these CTAs you can use as per the requirement, and if you want to include emojis in this, if you want to make it more like, let's say I want to make it a little bit humorous, make these CTAs let's say funny and engaging, right? And it'll do that for you. All right, as you can see from the first CTA itself, it's clear that it's trying to make it funny. Ready to shred like a rock star? Sign up now for a free trial and rock your way to guitar greatness in just 6 months, right? It's more engaging. Don't fret, join the waitlist and be the first to know when our How to Become an Amateur Guitarist in 6 Months course is ready to rock and roll, right? So that way you can always refine the kind of response that ChatGPT is giving you based on additional instructions that you're pushing. So see, at the end of the day, these CTAs that, or the prompts that we are giving you, is as good as the input that you are going to give to ChatGPT. Once you receive the prompt, after you give the prompt, once you receive this answer that ChatGPT gives you, what you have to do is you have to just take it just go through it once, and if you think that it can become a little bit better, or you think you want something out of it, just write it down in this section and just make it as clear as possible for ChatGPT to understand, and then you will see that the kind of response it provides will be much better than what it has already provided, right? Now moving on. So as you can see, like, this is how you can use the prompts that we have provided in this presentation. The third prompt is on how to create engaging emails for cold prospects. You have a list of cold prospects who have shown interest in your course. So obviously, like, anytime, like, you must be having a list of students or learners that may have been interested in your courses but didn't take any action, or a list of learners that is 1 year back and is kind of old. So those kind of list, to re-engage them and to get them as a paid customer or a paid learner and enroll them into your courses, you have to, like, start sending them in engaging emails. So here what I mean by cold prospects is those people who have already who are aware about you and are not very engaged in your courses. All right, so what you can do is you can send them emails and get them listed in your courses, in your paid courses. So the prompt here is, you have a list of cold prospects who have shown interest in your course. Again, you have to mention your course name but haven't enrolled yet. Your goal is to draft personalized follow-up emails that nurture their interest, address any concerns or objections, and ultimately convince them to enroll in the course. Generate follow-up email templates that include a personalized greeting addressing the recipient by name, acknowledgement of their previous interaction or interest. So what I mean here by acknowledgement of their previous interaction, so for example, if you have around 100 or 200 list of learners which have been interested in your, let's say you are a fitness coach and you have a lot of courses, like you have courses on starting a keto diet, you also have a course on how you can start your calisthenics journey. So you have like 5-6 courses like that, right? But you have a list of people who are actually interested in, like, keto diet. So you have to provide the engaging emails to them, or you have to send them these emails which are kind of related or talk on the same lines as the course that they are interested in. If a person is interested in a keto diet course, and if you are sending them an email which is talking about, let's say, your, like, calisthenics course, then it would make sense for them, right? So you have to be clear on what you're trying to accomplish here. At the same time, with the help, by providing the input to ChatGPT, you will be able to find and, like, get those emails readily available. But you have to be uh, before writing a prompt, you have to have that thought process as to what I want from ChatGPT and for whom I want it. Because if your email is as good as like how personalized it is. Like if it's very personalized, it will work. If it's not personalized, if you're sending in bulk, it really won't work. And it, like a lot of learners that who have already engaged with you, or who are even somewhat interested, they will also start feeling, I won't say feeling, but they would also start uh, to look elsewhere. Or they can also start looking at your competitors courses. So those kind of things you need to avoid. All right, so let's see how the email can be provided. And in this email, like in this prompt, you'll see like how we can get more out of it. Like there's a fun part at the end of this. So let's say here since we were talking about keto diet, right, let's start with the topic as how to get started with keto diet. Okay, you can give inputs like acknowledgement of their previous interaction and interest in the course, uh, and you can, instead of acknowledgement of their previous interaction, what you can put here is like how they have interacted. For example, if they have interacted with one of your previous emails which were talking about keto, then you can add that as an input to ChatGPT, so that it understands, okay, like this is the kind of interaction that has happened. For now, we'll keep it simple and just press enter. All right. As you can see, it has started giving us the output, and it's the first email, right? By the first look itself, I can tell like this email is pretty lengthy, right? So what you have to do is make this email brief. You can also provide a word range. You can say brief, word count, so let's say 400 words, right? I think 400 words were still a lot. So what you can do is change it into, let's say 200 words, right? As you can see, this email has now become brief with around 200 words, right? And it looks much more better. What you can do further, here comes the fun part. Like you can say, give me second email in this series, and it will start giving you like a series of emails which talk about your course, right? Again, the email here is lengthy, right? So what you can do is you can copy this prompt. Just a second. You can copy this prompt and add it here. Now it will give you emails which are brief as well, and also are talking at a like in a systematic manner. For example, the first email was talking about join the keto revolution limited time offer inside. The second email talks about don't miss out, last chance to enroll in the keto course. So not everything is going to be the same in that way, right? So you have to just keep on sending. For example, if you want 3 or 5 emails out of this. So you can just give that in prompt, like give me, if you want the email series to be of around 3 to 5 emails, you can just say give me 3 more emails in this series with different points. But different points, it's kind of vague, so you have to be a little bit clear with the different agendas, let's say. Okay, and then again, the emails should be brief and under 200 words. See, now I started like overcoming keto misconceptions. Now it's talking about what are some of the misconceptions in keto diet, right? The other one is inspiring keto success stories. So everything has a point. Like the third email was talking about keto misconceptions, right? The fourth email is talking about the success stories of your students, of your learners who have like achieved great success with starting their keto journey, right? In that way you can design any number of emails. All you have to do is give it the prompt that out of like what you want out of ChatGPT. So moving on to the fourth prompt. Now I'm not going to like show how you can do it on ChatGPT. I think it's pretty clear how you can work with ChatGPT, right? So the fourth prompt is how you can draft an engaging ad copy for retargeting campaigns, right? So some of you would be running Google ads, right? So a lot of people who come to your website and then go back, you can retarget them with the help of this prompt. So your ad copy has to be aligned with what you want to achieve from these retargeting campaigns, right? What you want to achieve out of by reaching those potential customers. By customers I mean by reaching out those like free learners. So here's the prompt. You want to run retargeting campaigns to reach potential customers who have shown interest in your course. The course name is something you have to mention, because course name would be different for every course creator, but haven't enrolled yet. Your task is to ask for details about the course, target audience, and previous interactions to generate engaging ad copy for these retargeting campaigns. The output should remind potential customers about the course and its benefits, creating a sense of urgency or exclusivity to encourage immediate action. Highlight any limited time offers, discounts, or bonuses available. Address specific pain points or challenges that the course can solve. Include a clear and compelling course call to action to drive clicks and conversions. Ensure that the generated ad copy is concise, attention grabbing, and tailored to target audiences, interests, and needs. So one of the important things in Google Ads is the copy or the ad copy should be concise, attention grabbing, and tailored to the target audience's interests. So this is something you have to mention, because or else like ChatGPT will still keep that in mind, but it won't provide that much emphasis on these things. But if you put that in your prompt, then ChatGPT knows, okay, like I have to consider this as an important point because it's given in the prompt itself, right? Now moving on to the fifth prompt on how you can get free learners to sign up. The fifth prompt is how you can generate blog or blogs to attract visitors to sign up for your free course. Okay, so the prompt is, as an educator in the field of the now industry, I think by now you know the drill. You have to replace the industry with your industry. You understand the importance of providing valuable insights to your prospective students and the wider public. You decide to leverage ChatGPT to generate blog articles that delve into the subject matter of your courses. Your task is to create engaging, informative blog posts that address key topics in here you have to put your broad topics, so that, for example, starting your keto journey is pretty broad, right? Inside that there must be a lot of topics on which you can write a lot of blog posts. Out of that broad topic on how to get started with keto, you can write at least like 5 to 10 blog posts based on that broad topic. You can choose like the small subsection of the topics that are inside that big topic, and based on that you can create blog posts on each of those subtopics, right? And which provides relevant examples and underscore the practical applications of this knowledge. Each blog post should conclude with a compelling call to action, inviting readers to sign up for a free course to continue their learning journey. Word count should be anywhere between 1500 to 2000 words. Now this is as per you. You can have like blog posts which are anywhere between 1000 to 1500 words as well. Whatever you feel fine, you have to just add there. Okay. Now, how you can convert free learners into paid learners. All right. Here also we have like 5 prompts which will help you in coming up with automating, at the same time saving time when you want to start converting those free learners into paid learners. A lot of activities need to be done when you want to achieve that. So for example, let's say like first use cases, setting up an automated personalized email for new subscribers on your emailing list and introducing them to your course offerings. So for example, there has been a number of learners who have signed up for your free courses or your free live class, and then okay, these are the learners who are interested in my free courses and they would be also interested in buying or becoming a paid learner. So what you have to do is you have to come up with a personalized emails that helps or that educates them on what kind of a course that you what kind of a course are you offering, like what they will get out of it. All right. So based on that, you have to create emails that target those people, right? And the prompt that you can use is, you are an experienced educator in the industry and you have developed a comprehensive course on topic. As part of your marketing strategy, you want to set up automated personalized emails to introduce new subscribers to your mailing list, to your course offering. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging and informative emails that highlight the unique aspects of your course and encourages them to purchase your course. Remember to incorporate the subscriber's name and tailor the content to their interests. All you have to do is copy this prompt, paste it there, and you'll have a series of emails. Like maybe it just gives you one email, right? So after that, what you can do is, if you want to make that email smaller, you can do that. If you want to receive subsequent emails which talk about different parts of that topic, you can do that too, right? All you have to do is refine the output and ChatGPT will comply with you accordingly. All right. The second prompt, which talks about the use cases, how you can leverage ChatGPT to generate a sequence of emails aimed at nurturing leads who have shown interest in your courses. So you are a seasoned educator. Okay, we are diving right into the prompt. You're a seasoned educator offering courses in the topic and you want to nurture leads who have shown interest in your courses by designing a sequence of engaging and persuasive emails. Use ChatGPT to help you create a compelling email sequence that provides valuable information, addresses potential concerns, and ultimately convinces leads to enroll in your courses. So your email that will be generated from this prompt would have those 3 things that is like one of the important goals of achieving in an email series, right? So you have to provide valuable information, like valuable for the learner or to the person to whom you're sending. The second thing it will address is, it will address potential concerns. So a lot of your learners will have some kind of doubts before spending any kind of money. You also think 2 or 3 times, right? Maybe it's on a course or maybe it's on a pair of shoes, right? But you still think. Similarly, your learners will also think before buying your courses. They will have some potential concerns as to maybe there is some course which is better out there. Maybe this course is not the right course for me. Maybe the course will not provide me as much knowledge as I want, right? So to address those kind of potential concerns, what you can do is you can send them an email, and any common concerns based on your experience that your previous learners or your past learners were facing, you can address those concerns in the email itself. That way you earn the trust of your learners as well. And ultimately, and moving on, and ultimately convince leads. So what this will do is, once you win the trust of your learners, that will eventually become your paid learners, right? And they will enroll in your courses. Moving on, tailor the content to different stages of the lead nurturing process, from initial interest to final decision making, and include persuasive language, testimonials, and relevant course details. Okay, this one I want to show you because this is very interesting. Okay, just a second. This time, let's say fitness educator, lose 15 kgs in 3 months, lose weight like a pro, right? So as you can see, it has started producing the email, introduction and course overview. So it starts with introduction and course overview. All right, welcome to Lose Weight Like a Pro course. Now, in this first email, it's talking about the learnings or what they will get inside the course. Like, here's a glimpse of what you can expect: comprehensive full body workouts, expert nutrition guidance, mindset mastery, right? If you want to include your own learnings, what you can do is replace your learnings with this one, or you can add your learnings in the prompt itself and say, like, I want these learnings to be mentioned in the first email, and it will do that for you. Okay, the second email talks about transform your body with full body workouts. So out of those three, it starts like in the first email it's talking about comprehensive full body workouts, right? In the second email, it's talking all about full body workouts, right? Similarly, I think the third email is about proper nutrition, the power of nutrition fuel your weight loss journey, right? So you have like 3 emails which would have at least 1 day or 2 day to come up with and write in a proper manner and mention all those things. All those things are given to you by ChatGPT in just like 3 days, in like 3 minutes. Okay. Sorry for that. So these are just 3 emails, right? If you want, you can also get more emails out of it. You just have to mention, give me 3 more emails, and it will produce that for you. Okay. So coming back to the third prompt that will help you to come to paid learners with the help of ChatGPT is how you can use ChatGPT to write personalized messages for social media advertising, targeting potential leads. As an experienced educator specializing in the topic you have to mention, you want to leverage course media advertising to target market. Here you have to mention your target market and promote your course name. Are students who are in the age of 16 to 18, who are, let's say, not doing well in mathematics.